Hey guys, Gina here, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Dollar Tree video. So I went into my local Dollar Tree, so I'm just going to share with you guys everything that I picked up. So the first thing I picked up are these 3 reusable totes, and I love picking these up for gifting purposes. So I picked this one up. This is an Aladdin tote, so it has Jasmine, Aladdin, and it's the same print on both sides. And then I picked up a Toy Story 4. And then I also picked up a Secret Life of Pets. So I picked 3 of these up, and it made for good timing because then I didn't have to pay for bags. So I'm just gonna pull things out in random order. So the first thing I picked up are these little tins, and these are a Greenbrier product, and these are little planters. So this has a cute little owl on it, and this one has a little scarecrow. So this is gonna be perfect for outdoor decorating for the fall. And then I picked up 2 things of sunflowers because I have a DIY coming with these sunflowers, so I picked these up. And then I picked up a few more of these tubs, so I picked up 4 total because I realized I missed the mark on my cereal, so I wanted to go ahead and pick up some tubs to hold my cereal and my pasta, so I picked those up. And then the next 2 things I picked up are some canvases. So I have some art projects with the kids coming up, so I needed 2 canvases, so I picked those up. And then I have another DIY that involves some like planner stickers, so I picked this up. And then the Dollar Tree had these last year, so these are the metal words, so it says thankful, harvest, and welcome. So I went ahead and picked this up, and I'm just gonna put it in my DIY bin because I know I likely will find a use for them. So I went ahead and just picked them up. And then the next thing I picked up is this mason jar sign. So it says grateful and blessed, and it has a little bit of burlap on the top, and I just thought this was really beautiful. So stay tuned to see how I'm going to be using this piece because I've been doing a lot of Dollar Tree DIYs. So I will go ahead and link a playlist that I have created for my Dollar Tree DIYs if you want to get some inspiration from those. And then I picked up 2 more of these notebooks. So I use the Jot Notebooks for couponing, and I really loved the print of this one. It says, be kind to yourself. So my store only had 2 of them. So if you guys see any more of these at your Dollar Tree, I would gladly accept. My P.O. box is always in the description box, but I absolutely love these notebooks for couponing breakdowns. I use them all the time, and it's also a nice like hard surface if you're in the car and need to jot a note down. And I just love the wording on that one. It says, be kind to yourself. And I just like that daily reminder. So the next thing I picked up is for another DIY. So I picked up 3 dry erase boards, as well as a magnetic dry erase planner. So I picked these up. And then I also picked up some washi tape. So this is also for a DIY. So I'm super excited about that. And then the next few things I picked up are for like lunchboxing items, and my kids will both be needing to pack lunches. So I wanted to get some fun packing items for them with their lunch boxes. So the first things that I got for their lunch boxes are these ice pack, hot cold pack. So I picked up 2 of these. And then I also picked up 2 of these smaller ice packs. So these are gonna go in their lunch boxes. And then I picked these up. Now this wasn't like the best value, but I thought that they were super cute, but it's little mini snack pails. So I'm thinking I'm gonna put like different snacks in these. So I have princesses for Scarlet, and then I have Mickey and the Roadster Racers for Sawyer. And then I also have some cupcake liners for Sawyer's lunches. So I picked these up. And then I also picked up some sandwich containers. So I picked Scarlet up a Vampirina one, and then I went ahead and picked up Sawyer a PJ Masks one. And then I picked up another one of these lunch trays. So I actually use these for myself because it's really nice to like organize everything that you're eating. So I'll put like my peanut butter right here. When I eat apples, I'll put apples here. I'll put mustard if I'm dipping with salami. So it's a nice way to like separate everything. And this is what I use when I have like my snacks for when I'm sitting down and watching shows with my husband. So then the next thing I picked up is a little container to separate food items. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this inside of Scarlett's lunch. I'm still not sure like what I'm gonna do with her for her lunch. I'm still brainstorming in terms of like what I want to get for her. And then I also picked up this Sure Fresh reusable container as well, because I figured I will try both of these out and see which one works the best. So then I also picked up another lighter because I hate having to go up and down the stairs to get my lighter for my candles. So I have a lighter for upstairs now and I have a lighter for downstairs. All right, so then I also picked up this giant gift bag, and I'm actually just saving this for Christmas because Scarlett loves like rainbow patterns. So I wanted just to pick this up just in case like it's no longer there. And then I'll just go ahead and put it in like the Christmas stuff and just save it for her for Christmas time. And then I picked this sign up as well. So it says, "You are always loved." So I picked this up, and you'll have to stay tuned to see what I'm doing with that. And then I picked up some dry erase markers to go with the dry erase boards. And then I picked up 2 of these signs. So it says, this is what the signage is, but this is not what the signage is gonna stay. So I'm gonna be DIYing that as well. So I am so excited for that. You guys, if you haven't been able to tell, I've really been enjoying DIYs on my channel. So I hope you guys are enjoying them just as much as I am. So then the next thing I picked up are more of these poster board stickers. So I have the worst penmanship ever. So anytime I'm DIYing something, I always opt to get just the stickers, and you can't go wrong for $1. And what I'm gonna be doing now going forward is just saving like the stenciling part of these pages so that I can just, you know, stencil the letters going forward. So this is everything that I picked up over at my Dollar Tree. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a really fun haul. I got a lot of DIY stuff like I mentioned, and I am super excited to go ahead and start working on those. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day with whatever you are doing, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.